is up, guys? So today we're gonna make a video about O-ring lights. It looks up so freaking cool. I bought it from Amazon and we're gonna test it out to see if it's worth it. I think I bought it for $30 to $35. It says 5.7 ring light with tripod stand for YouTube videos and makeup. So it even says that. Let's see what it holds. Oh, that is cool. That is cool. They give you a little bag. So it has their logo, Beeland. And as you can see, everything in here backed up. We got the light, comes with the USB and adjustable clip here, so you can move the top however you want it positioned. And you put the screw here. It also comes with 4 buttons: a plus, I don't know what that is, a minus, and a power button. That looks like a shuffle button. I don't know, is it gonna shuffle lights? Comes with its own little phone stand type deal to hold. What? I still don't know how to use this piece. And then the tripod itself. I'm actually pretty happy with this bag. It's pretty cool. So we're gonna connect this via USB. Let's see how bright this thing really is. Ready? So, ring light. I'm gonna put it through the camera. Boom. Power. Ooh. Well, since I wear glasses, you can see it. I saw some at Best Buy for like $100, $200. Ridiculous. Never pay full price for something like that when you can buy it for 35 bucks on Amazon. Always check Amazon before you buy anything at a retail store. Honestly. But yeah, let's try different modes. So that's the full brightness. That's max. And then we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's not good. 9's the max. My own camera, the G7X Mark II, does have its own auto brightness, so it's really good in nighttime. It makes it brighter. Basically, I'm sure the iPhone's gonna do well with just. I mean. I love it. Ooh. Oh, it has 3 modes. So that's the regular. I mean, that's the first. And then it's got like a blue. I like this one. And then it's got like a orange. Nah, I'm good with that. This is the clear one. The blue one. And then the orange one.
Later.
This is how it looks. As you can see, it's clean white, that's clean blue, sun-kissed orange. I'm completely making these up, so that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe right above here or here. Thank you for watching. I appreciate all your guys' support. Peace.
We're sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.